Alright, let's talk about why having a good password manager is a total game changer. We've all been there, scrambling to remember passwords or, worse, losing access to important accounts. That's where a tool like Keeper comes in, offering a solid, secure, and super convenient way to store and manage your passwords. So if you've been thinking about giving Keeper a try, stick around because I'm about to break it down for you, and I'll cover everything from setup to security, features, and pricing. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what you're getting into. Let's start with the biggest question on everyone's mind: is Keeper secure? And the answer is, without a doubt, yes. It uses a layered encryption model, which means your passwords are encrypted right on your device before they ever reach Keeper's servers. That's huge because it makes sure only you have access to your information, and even if their servers somehow get compromised, your data would still be safe. But wait, there's more. Keeper isn't just relying on encryption alone. It's also a zero-knowledge service, which means Keeper itself doesn't have access to your data. Even if someone were to breach their systems, they wouldn't have anything to get their hands on. It's like having a vault where only you have the key, and no one else can even peek inside. Now you might be wondering, but is this all just talk? Can we trust them? Great question. The good news is Keeper goes the extra mile here with independent third-party audits. That means someone else has come in and checked the system to make sure everything is as secure as they say. In fact, Keeper has passed rigorous audits like the SOC 2 certification, which basically means they've been vetted over a period of time to ensure their system is operating as it should. On top of that, Keeper has two-factor authentication, 2FA, which gives you that extra layer of protection. You can choose from 5 different 2FA methods, and you'll also set up a backup method just in case you need it. This adds another layer of peace of mind when it comes to keeping your account locked down. Now let's dive into the features that make Keeper stand out. Trust me, Keeper has some seriously handy tools that you won't find anywhere else, designed to give you ultimate control and security. One of the standout features is self-destruct mode. This is something you might not need all the time, but it's an excellent safeguard for when you do. If you activate this feature, Keeper will automatically erase all your stored passwords from your device after 5 unsuccessful login attempts. So, in case your device gets lost, stolen, or tampered with, your sensitive information stays protected. Another useful tool is Security Audit. It runs a thorough scan of all your passwords, identifying weak ones, whether they're too simple or reused across multiple accounts. The audit provides a clear overview so you can take action and make necessary changes, ensuring your accounts are safe from breaches. A unique addition is Keeper Chat, which combines messaging with security. This built-in feature allows you to communicate securely by storing all messages in a separate vault that can only be accessed after verifying your identity. Whether you're discussing sensitive topics or sharing important information, you can rest easy knowing your communication is locked tight. If you're ever in a situation where you accidentally delete important data, Deleted Items Recovery has got your back. This premium feature lets you recover lost passwords or other critical info, saving you from the panic of irreversible mistakes. Another handy feature is one-time share. If you need to share a password or sensitive information with someone, Keeper lets you do it securely, even if the recipient doesn't have Keeper. You can set an expiration date for the share, ensuring that the information won't remain accessible indefinitely. This is great for temporary situations where you want to limit exposure. Then there's emergency access. You can designate up to 5 trusted contacts who will be able to access your vault if something were to happen to you. You set the timeline, and after a predetermined period, These contacts can step in and manage your vault in your absence. Lastly, offline mode is a lifesaver for when you're not connected to the internet. With this feature, you can still access your vault and even add new entries without a Wi-Fi connection. It works by storing an offline copy of your vault on your device, allowing you to operate seamlessly even in areas with poor or no connectivity. All these features make Keeper more than just a password manager. It's an all-encompassing tool to secure, manage, and share sensitive information safely and conveniently. Whether it's for personal or professional use, Keeper has thought of everything to ensure that your data stays in your control. Alright, so now that we've covered all the amazing features Keeper offers, let's talk about its pricing. How does it compare to other password managers in the market? In short, Keeper is right in line with its competitors, but what really sets it apart is the excellent value you get for the price. Whether you're using it for personal use or as part of a family or team, Keeper has flexible pricing options to suit your needs. The personal plan is the most budget-friendly option, giving you access to all the essential features, including unlimited device support. It's perfect for individuals who want to manage their passwords securely without breaking the bank. This plan allows you to take full advantage of Keeper's advanced security tools, like the security audit and self-destruct mode, ensuring your passwords are well protected. If you have a family or a small team, the family plan is a great choice. It accommodates up to 5 people, each with their own separate vault. This feature is fantastic for households where multiple people need secure password management, or even small teams who want to keep their personal information separate but easily accessible. It's an affordable option for those who want to share Keeper's benefits without losing the privacy of individual vaults. For businesses, Keeper also offers business plans that cater to larger teams and organizations. These plans include added features, such as group sharing and enhanced administrative controls, making them ideal for companies looking to streamline password management for multiple employees. Keeper doesn't provide a money-back guarantee, but they do offer a 30-day free trial. This is a great way to get a feel for the app and all its features without any commitment. You can use the trial to test out things like Keeper Chat, Security Audit, and the Emergency Access feature, helping you decide if it's the right password manager for your needs. That 30 days is plenty of time to explore everything Keeper offers, so you can make an informed decision about whether or not to subscribe to one of their plans. Alright, let's break down how to use Keeper in a real, everyday way. Once you sign up, the process is super straightforward and user-friendly. First things first, when you launch the Keeper app, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The layout is simple, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. To start adding passwords, it's as easy as hitting a button. Keeper makes it super convenient by letting you import passwords directly from your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another browser, it'll automatically pull your saved passwords into Keeper, saving you a ton of time and hassle. Now, let's say you want to share a password with someone. Keeper makes that simple as well. Just find the password you want to share, click on the Options menu, and select the Share button. Keep in mind, though, that the person you're sharing with also needs to have a Keeper account. If they don't, no worries, Keeper has a one-time share option that lets you send a password without them needing the app. When it comes to generating new passwords, Keeper has a quick and easy solution. You just click the dice icon, and Keeper will create a random, strong password for you. You can even customize how complex and long you want the password to be. Once it's generated, Keeper automatically saves it to your vault for future use. Another standout feature is the data breach checker. This tool is a game changer. It scans the dark web to check if any of your stored passwords have been compromised in a security breach. This proactive approach gives you peace of mind, knowing that if any of your passwords are at risk, you'll be alerted right away and can take action to change them before any damage is done. By combining these features, Keeper makes it easy to stay secure while saving you time and effort. Whether you're importing passwords from your browser, sharing them with others, generating new ones, or checking for potential breaches, Keeper handles it all seamlessly, keeping your information safe and sound. Keeper isn't just powerful on the desktop. Its mobile apps for iOS and Android offer a seamless, on-the-go experience too. While the design may look slightly different from the desktop version, the functionality and ease of use are just as impressive. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you'll find the app just as intuitive and efficient. When you first open the mobile app, you're greeted with a streamlined interface that's easy to navigate. All your passwords are at your fingertips, whether you're at the grocery store, traveling, or just away from your computer. You can quickly search for any entry in your vault and access it with just a few taps. One of the features I really appreciate is the fingerprint/Face ID login. With biometric authentication, accessing your vault is super fast and secure, so you don't have to worry about entering your master password each time you need something. Managing passwords on the mobile app is just as simple as it is on the desktop. You can add new passwords, generate strong passwords, and even update existing entries in just a few taps. If you're browsing on your phone and want to save a password, Keeper can prompt you to store it directly through the app, so no more worrying about missing passwords. Another great feature is that the offline mode is available on mobile, too. So even if you're in an area without internet access, you can still access and use your vault. This is especially useful when you're traveling or in places where Wi-Fi might be unreliable. All in all, Keeper's mobile apps are highly functional, giving you the freedom to manage your passwords and sensitive data no matter where you are. Whether on the go or at home, you can rely on Keeper for secure password management that works across all your devices.